ferry boat off the Devon Sea School. And that is the Grand Floridian with Hotel Spa. That's the Polynesian. And some dude's big hair. There's the wedding place which we're all going to get married at, bitches. There's the boat which you can hire for $20 an hour. They're really fun. There's the monorail. Charlotte, put your shades on. Charlotte, be a cool dude. Be a cool dude like Mummy and Daddy with your shades on. Yeah. Charlotte? Say Aya? 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 Are we on the boat? Look for the fishies. Look at the castle over there. You liked the castle, didn't you? Can you see it? There it is. There's Space Mountain. Charlotte? Yeah? Where's the castle? Charlotte, where's the castle? Whee! You need to keep them on, you'll get the ice really watery because it's flowing. Look at that lady's hair, see? Flowing. Yeah? Hi, cool dude. Get away, chicken. Although I didn't do that once, didn't I? The castle. Where's the castle, Charlotte? There it is. There's the castle. So it's the other day with all the Christmas lights.